As artificial intelligence becomes a bigger part of business operations, one question keeps coming up. How can companies in regulated industries use AI safely without risking data exposure? For organizations in finance, healthcare, government, and legal sectors, privacy is not just a preference, it is a requirement. Two AI leaders, Cohere and Anthropic, are gaining strong reputations for their focus on security, control, and responsible language modeling. But which one offers the best privacy-focused large language model for regulated industries? Let's break it down. Cohere has built its entire platform around enterprise-grade privacy and secure deployment. Its models, known as Command and Embed, are designed to run in controlled environments where data never leaves a company's walls. One of Cohere's biggest advantages is its flexibility in deployment. Businesses can use the models through a private cloud or even on their own infrastructure, which gives full data ownership and compliance control. That is a major advantage for industries that must meet strict regulations around data residency and confidentiality. Cohere also emphasizes transparent training sources and model governance. Its command model is optimized for tasks like summarization, classification, and document generation, all while ensuring that no customer data is stored or used for future training. For organizations that need audit trails and accountability, Cohere's privacy-first design feels reassuring. Anthropic takes a similar but slightly different approach. Its Claude models are built using constitutional AI, which means they are guided by a defined set of ethical and safety rules that shape how they respond. While Anthropic also enforces strict privacy protections, its main strength lies in safety alignment and reliability of responses. Claude is excellent at understanding context-heavy documents and producing professional, compliance-safe outputs. For regulated industries, this kind of trustworthy reasoning is critical. Anthropic's enterprise offerings ensure that customer data is isolated, encrypted, and never used to train models, and their systems are designed to prevent harmful or biased language. Claude's responses are measured, transparent, and consistent, which helps businesses avoid reputational and regulatory risk when using AI in customer or internal communications. Ultimately, both companies are redefining what trustworthy AI looks like. Cohere offers control and compliance from the ground up. Anthropic offers alignment and ethical safety at every interaction. For regulated industries that cannot compromise on privacy, either option delivers peace of mind, but your choice depends on whether you value control over the system or confidence in the output.